What's up guys, it's Tech Media Reviews and welcome back to another video. This is the Belkin Mixit USB-C to USB-A cable, and I got the white one. It's 6 feet or 1.8 meters, and it's USB-C to USB-A as I mentioned. It's made by Belkin. Let's open it up. It says here you could see the USB-C connector. It's reversible. And as you can see here, there's some kind of protective aluminum casting that makes this more durable and more lasting. And here it shows you how it's durable braided cable, so it's gonna last longer and it's not gonna break as easily as the other cables. And it also says it supports 3 amp fast charging, so this refers to the quick charging. Here it says mix it up with cables and chargers and perfectly color matched metallics, because this is a metallic white. Let's check the back. And here you could see it says connect your USB-C smartphone or tablet to a standard laptop or charger. It supports USB 2.0 for syncing and data transfer. And here it says it goes 480 Mbps and 60 watts for over 3 amps. Here it just shows like the devices that support this, but these are kind of like old devices because this is a charger from 2017. It is 2018 now. So let's go to the unboxing of this. Take this plastic off. Okay. Wow, this plastic is hard. Okay, so we got this plastic off. Now we just have to pull this. Kind of broke it a little bit here, as you can see. So you pull this up. Here we have a little flap that you can pull. And here is the charger. So we pull it out of we pull this out of its the plastic that holds it. As you can see in the back, we have to move this, so now we can pull this out because this was holding it together. And here's the charger, as you can see. So you could see it's pretty long. It's 6 feet. It has a metallic and aluminum finish. Yeah, not just this part but also the back, the USB-A part. And the cable is nylon. It's braided. It's braided, not nylon. It's braided, so it's more durable. And I did buy this charger because the charger that came with my LG V30 broke. Well, it's not broken yet, but it is breaking as you can see. I had to put duct tape on the neck of this cable because it did start breaking. So I decided to buy a new cable, and I saw that this had good reviews. And that people like this, so I had to buy it. So I want to check if this supports the quick charging or fast charging. And here I have a charger. I'm still gonna use the brick that came with the LG V30 because it does support fast charging, and it does have USB-A, so that will be able to come with this. So I'll put my old charging cable away. Here you can see, connect this here, or it's the other way around, so it connects perfectly. Put this plastic away. Let's connect that, and here's my LG V30. It's a great phone. Now let me connect it. Let's see, it's connecting. It says charging, and it also says fast charging. So as you can see, it does support fast charging with the V30, and it also supports it with other USB-C devices. So this has been my video, my unboxing of the Belkin Mixit USB-C to USB-A cable. See, I think this is a good cable. I actually prefer this over the one that came with the LGV30. I do recommend you guys buy this. I'll try to post another video in maybe a month or two to inform you guys on how this charger has lasted and if it's good. But I think it will last long. As you can see, it's braided, it's nice, and it feels premium, so I do recommend you guys buy it. I'll put the link in the description for this, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.